Welcome to Get Number Electricals. Today I'm going to show you how to install, wire and activate a Hexin 3-phase meter. You can see we have our cutouts here. We have completed mounting our cutouts, as you can see. Now that's my colleague. He's going to connect power at the pole, and now this meter that we have, its activation code is 1275 4194 144 864 50 59 70. That is the code you use to activate this meter. When you find a meter that looks like this, that's how you activate it. So when connecting this meter, you connect your first live 1 goes through terminal number 1 and comes out. The outgoing is at number 2. Incoming, the second live incoming, live 2 at number 3, and outgoing number 4. Incoming for live 3 and incoming for live 4 comes from number 6. Number 7 incoming in neutral, and number 8 outgoing neutral. That's how simple it is. So after finishing that, you mount it and all will be well. Like and subscribe for you to see our other videos. Thank you.